Hey guys, and welcome to AJ's vlog. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing some safety products. First, I had originally planned on doing a review of the Polygon Premiere 5, but then the plans got cancelled due to this. So now the product which I am going to be reviewing is going to be some safety lights. So now moving on to the lights. Why do I always insist on lights for your safety? It's not during the daytime that you need it, but it's during the twilight zones, early morning and evenings, when the light is not sufficient and you're not very visible. The first product keeping commuters in mind is this lovely headlight. It has 3 modes: bright, dim and strobe. Plus it has an additional feature. This little wire that you see is a horn. It is quite loud, and again, as a commuter, this is an awesome add-on to the bike. Now this is how you fix it to the bike. Now coming back to the light, the beam on the high is quite good and the throw is ample for any commute. If you want to extend your battery life, you can always use the lower setting. Now if you are in a place where there is two-way traffic and there is head-on traffic coming too, this increases your visibility. A flashing light is way more visible in the night or in the twilight times than a steady bright light. This light is a rechargeable light. It doesn't run on batteries which you can replace, but it's rechargeable. So basically you get this little micro USB charging port. So you plug this in and you charge this through a regular USB drive that you have. The buying links for this are given below in the description. Next, we move on to the tail light. So this comes with a ring and the light. Now this is separate, so you can separate it out and carry this. It's nice that this is removable because this is usually left fitted to your seat post. As a result, if you're commuting, you're going to be parking it in places. To prevent theft, you can always take this off, put it in your bag and go inside. This too has different settings. A single light, a double and blink. Once again, blinking makes you more visible and you're more noticeable on the road. Now to quickly show you, this is easily openable, and so this is powered by 2 AAA batteries. I'm using Energizer since these are longer life batteries and I would like this to work for as long as possible. Now let's see how bright it is on the bike. Next, we are going to be looking at a wearable light. This is flexible, comes with a Velcro strap, elastic Velcro strap, so it is going to fit nearly everyone. Now this also has 2 settings. One is a steady on, the other is blink. This has a 2032 batteries which comes with the product. This is to make sure that you're visible in the dark. The next safety product that I recommend is always a toolkit. Now the reason behind why a toolkit is necessary in your bag is because it will help you make any small fixes on your bike which you may need to do when you're on the road. So this is a nice inexpensive option. Again, link below in the description. And this makes sense to keep it as a just in case emergency. The other emergency tool which I always carry is this PB Swiss tool. Again, have used it extensively, loved it. So in case you guys have missed it, the review for this, the link is here. While you're on the road, there are many things which can go wrong. Your gears may get stuck somewhere, your chain can break, your derailleur can break. In which case you can use the chain tool to break the chain, make it smaller and make sure you can get to wherever you're going. There's also other different things. You have screwdrivers, star screwdrivers, flat screwdrivers, the entire thing. You can do a lot of quick repairs. This is not for extensive repairs, but for quick side of the road repairs, something like this is worth keeping. I keep 2 or 3 of these each in a different bag because I use different bags when I'm cycling. This is my latest, but besides this I also have other bags which I use. So I keep one in each bag. It helps that I know there's always a toolkit in the bag, and if I get stuck anywhere, I do not have to search for a toolkit. Okay guys, now a small announcement. Before this lockdown happened, I had started work on a small project. It got delayed because of the lockdown, but then let me just quickly show you what it is and what I'm looking to build on this channel. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.